Hello, my dear students. This is Pushpa Varatharajan, retired maths teacher from Army Public School, Bangalore. In this video, you are going to learn different types of brackets and their simplification. Before simplifying the bracket, we are going to see a PowerPoint presentation where you are learning different types of brackets and rules involved in that. What are brackets? In mathematics, brackets are the symbol often used to create groups or explain the order in which operations are to be done in an expression. Some brackets have multiple or particular uses in mathematics. Kinds of brackets. There are 4 kinds of brackets used for mathematical expression. That is, first one is bar or vinculum or line bracket. That is, it's a line used to represent a bracket. Parenthesis, small or round brackets represented as like this. Curly or flower or brace brackets represented like this. And square and big or box bracket is represented like this. Here you have learned that different types of brackets used in mathematics. In the next one, you are going to learn BODMAS rule. BODMAS is a short form used for brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Sometimes people use PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And this is also similar to BODMAS, but this comes in the higher class. For your class, only BODMAS rule is enough. Sometimes there will be angle brackets also, but very rarely we will use this bracket. Expanding bracket means multiplying everything inside the bracket by the letter or a number outside the bracket. For example, in the expression 3 and inside the bracket, if there is m plus 7, both m and 7 must be multiplied by 3. Here m is missing. It's okay. 3 into m and 3 into 7. 3 into m is 3m and 3 into 7 is 21. If a positive sign precedes a bracket, the sign of the terms inside the bracket will not change when the bracket is removed. If a negative sign precedes a bracket, the sign of the terms inside the bracket will change when the bracket is removed. For example, minus, that is inside the bracket, there is 3 plus 16 and it is followed by minus. Therefore, when you are removing the bracket, plus 3 will become minus 3 and plus 16 will become minus 16 and answer will be minus 19. That means now you have learned 3 rules. One is, while remove the bracket, follow the order. First it is the bar bracket, then the small bracket, then the curly bracket, and then the square bracket. And the next one is using the BODMAS rule. And the next rule is that we are using it in algebra, where if the bracket is followed by plus sign, just we have to remove the bracket without changing the sign of any number which is there inside the bracket. And when the bracket is followed by minus sign, then we have to change each and every term, change the sign of each and every term which is there inside the bracket. And related to this, we are going to solve few sums from the textbook. Here it is. Question number 1 is simplify. 15 plus 24 divided by 3 minus 1 and 6. Now here, according to BODMAS rule, we are using BODMAS rule. First, we have to remove the brackets of division first, and remaining terms write as it is. 15, 24 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24 minus 1 into 6. Here, performing division. We have performed division. Then after that multiplication we have to do. 15 plus 8, 6 into 1 is 6. That is performing multiplication. Here multiplication, that is 6 into 1 is 6, and then after multiplication it is addition. 15, that is 23 minus 6. Here we have to performing addition, and then here 23 minus 6, it is 17. It is performing addition. See here, we have used BODMAS rule. In that, first is we have to remove brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. If there is off, then we have to convert that into, but here there is no off, and here a division is there, then multiplication, then addition, and the subtraction. And in the next sum, here it is, we have to follow the order. First, we have to remove the bar bracket. Remaining terms, write as it is, 14 and square bracket, then the curly bracket, 9 minus 7, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. We have what we have removed here, removing vinculum. Vinculum are the bar bracket, vinculum. And then what we do, 14 minus 12 minus 9, 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. And then here we have removing what bracket here we have removed? We have removed small bracket, and then small bracket, then 14 minus 12, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Here we have removing curly bracket. Here we have removed curly bracket, and then we have to remove the big bracket. That is, inside the big bracket there is 12 minus 6. Here 14 minus 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here we have removing square bracket or big bracket. That is 14 minus 6 is 8. In the first question, we have used BODMAS rule, and in the second question, we have followed the order: small bracket, bar bracket, then the small bracket, then the curly bracket, then the flower bracket. Now here in this question, generally it comes in algebra. Here the bracket is followed by plus sign. Therefore, just we have to remove the bracket without changing the sign of the terms or the sign of the numbers which is there inside the bracket. That is 4 plus 3x is 7x minus 2x is equal to 5x. And in this question, it is 3x plus 4y you write as it is. And this is followed by minus. Therefore, if there is nothing, it is plus minus 2x plus 6y. Now it will be 3x minus 2x and here 4x plus 6y. 3x minus 2x is 1x and 4y plus 6y is 10. See here, if the bracket is followed by plus sign, then there is no change in the sign of the term inside the bracket. Just we have to remove the bracket. If the bracket is followed by minus sign, then we have to change the sign of each and every term which is there inside the bracket. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.